Hello, philosophy enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the mystery of the number two in philosophy. Have you ever wondered why some philosophers see two as the first real number? Let's solve this puzzle together. First, let's talk about the Pythagoreans. This ancient Greek group, led by Pythagoras, believed that numbers were the essence of everything. For them, the number one wasn't a real number, but a starting point. Think of it like a seed, holding potential but not yet fully developed. The number two, on the other hand, represented duality and creation. Think of it as the first step into a world of multiplicity and diversity. Two signifies the beginning of relationships, light and dark, male and female, and so on. Another great mind who thought deeply about numbers was Plotinus, the founder of Neoplatonism. In his philosophy, oneness, the ultimate source of reality and existence, was beyond all duality. However, Plotinus believed that to interact with the world, this oneness had to express itself through duality, leading to the number two. It's like the one opening up into the many, and the first step in that opening is two. Then we have the Chinese philosophy of yin and yang. While not directly about numbers, it carries a similar essence. Yin and yang represent interconnected and interdependent forces in the universe. Their interaction is the fundamental principle of reality. We see the same idea here. The emergence of two distinct, yet complementary forces from an original unity. So what should we take away from this? These philosophers saw the number two not just as a numerical value, but as a symbol of creation, relationship, and duality. It's the bridge from the indivisible to the multiple, the first real step into the complexity of existence. If you enjoyed this dive into the world of philosophical numbers, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more philosophical explorations. Until next time, keep questioning and stay curious.